What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to have a quick unboxing of the new Qiyi Qidi W, their new budget 2x2. The naming seems very, very confusing because in the Warrior line you have the W and then you have the S. And the S was actually the updated version of the W. But in this line, the W is the upgraded version of the original, or S, or I don't even know. But this is the newest one. So that can be confusing. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay, the sticker shades are great. Green's a little bland, but it's fine. It's way too tight. I mean, I guess I'll do first turns anyways. Oh yeah. It's pretty much impossible to turn. Let's check corner cutting. Okay, so there's literally no corner cutting. Oh, a little bit. Yeah, there's nothing. It's way too tight. The feeling is nice and smooth though. A little papery, but yeah, this feeling's nice. Okay, I went ahead and loosened the tensions a pretty good bit, and the corner cutting is, it's improved, but it can't do 45. It can't even do a little bit under either. Let's check reverse. Reverse is pretty much non-existent too. So even with looser tensions, the corner cutting is just not good. Since this is 2x2, I might as well just do a quick solve anyways. Yeah, so I'm terrible at 2x2. But okay, the pros, it feels really nice. I love the feeling. It's really smooth. A little bit hollow. I like that. I believe it's $3, $4 maybe. So I don't know. It's just the corner cutting is really bad, and it's really easy to lock up with this thing. And it also feels pretty small compared to my main, which is the Elite 2x2. I don't know. I feel like you could go for the MS 2x2, and that'd probably be a better option because it's also magnetic. And I just like that one better. I don't know. I just don't really see the point in getting this with corner cutting. It's just not great. I mean, it feels good. It's pretty cheap, but I don't know. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's not terrible. That's all I've got for today, and hope you guys have a great day.